What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the second screen of any device without actually having a second monitor. Not only will this allow you access to features in games that require a second monitor, such as the streamer cam in Rec Room, but you'll also be able to fully use this second screen for other things. Like you can drag stuff over there and still use it, because I'm also going to show you a trick for how you can still view it. But you're going to need two things. Number one is OBS. Just look up OBS, Open Broadcast, it's that, right? Go there, you're going to want to download this for Windows. Then, you're going to look up Tab Display and download this, also for Windows. Then, once you have all those things downloaded, we're off to the races. So all you need to do is find Tab Display and open it up. It's going to give you all these pop-ups. You can say no to the update. I'm probably going to have to blur that, as that is my IP address. But what you're going to want to do is click on this settings wheel. And then where it says Virtual Display, click Check. As soon as you do that, it's going to open up a bunch of windows. Do not click X, do not click OK. First of all, go to Settings, you can close this, you don't need it open. Then what you're going to want to do is press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and click on Task Manager. Find Tab Display and just click End Task. All of the windows will disappear. Now when you go to move your mouse over, it actually goes to your second screen. All you have to do now, if you want to use this in Rec Room, is, well, boot up Rec Room, then go to your Settings tab, Miscellaneous, and you can enable Streamer Cam. It's that easy. But how can you view the second screen? Well, that's also simple. This is where you're going to want to open up OBS. You're going to want to go to... What I would personally do is create a new scene. You don't have to. But on this scene, you see here I have selected my second screen. All you have to do is go to add one of these, a display capture, and then in the display capture, you tell it to capture the virtual display. You can move your mouse over here and view it. And also, if you want to do a windowed projector, you can go there, click this. It's right there. So now you can see your second screen, and you can make this bigger or smaller, and you can minimize OBS if you so wish, and just have this open somewhere, so you can still do things over here. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, please subscribe. We're trying to get some subs over here as well. We've got some other tech videos like this coming soon, so yeah, if you think this stuff is interesting, go ahead and click that sub button. See you in the next one.